Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So meron tayong bagong vlog today regarding sa Pajero. I bought a new intake cone for the Pajero kasi I've been looking for a K&N na intake cone para sa Pajero. Kaso medyo mahirap na daw maghanap, medyo rare na, hindi na rin nagpo-produce ang K&N. Meron na lang sila yung oval type para sa JDM version. Yung round type yung meron tayo. Ayoko naman parang tinatamad na ako mag-convert, masyado magastos. So, ang nakita ko ngayon is brand na I've been seeing for a long time na, and I'll show you guys in a minute, and then let's install it. So guys, this is the brand that I found. This is called Fabrics Eco Air Filter. So, nakita ko siya sa Parts Pro. If you know that shop, I think they are nasa Congressional ata sila naka-locate. So, nahanap ko to, pero nakikita ko na rin to before sa ProFab kung saan ko pinatune yung Subaru. Naging curious din ako sa brand nito, so now matry na natin sa Pajero. So I believe this is made in Thailand, no? So I think it will last naman kasi reusable siya, washable up to 100,000 kilometers. So I think this will be a good upgrade para more airflow tayo sa Pajero, kasi ngayon I've been using a replacement filter lang tapos sabi nila isa din daw yung cause sa medyo pag-usok ng car. So let's see if malilesen yung usok and if magiging okay yung response ng acceleration or any turbo noises. Pero usually if you upgrade the air filter, wala naman masyadong difference. It's just more of noise and a bit of better airflow. Pero hindi naman siya yung major upgrade talaga na extreme power, diba? So this is usually the first mod na ginagawa nila. So guys, ito yung box niya. So it was well packaged naman. So I believe this is supposed to also be a much more cleaner emissions and it reduced waste. Kasi nga, because you keep na reusable siya. So mas hindi mo na need magtapon ulit. And it is easy to install and maintain kasi meron silang kit cleaner na pwede mo linisin to after every 5 to 10,000 kilometers. So that's what we'll be using na lang next time. And the install should be relatively easy, plug and play lang. So let's get to it. So this should be a pretty easy install lang, no? So tatanggalin lang natin yung 3 na clips dito and then remove the air filter and then replace with the new one. So ito yung first. And then there's another clip dito sa baba. Finally, when you take out the screw na from the air filter, matatanggal na siya easily. So ito yung old air filter. So wala pa tong 5,000 kilometers pero look how black it is na. So I hope na mas okay talaga yung Fabrics brand. Hindi ko na pala video guys yung before and after na sound kasi yung wala naman masyadong tunog yung stock na air filter, diba, compared to upgraded or aftermarket brand. So malalaman na lang natin if magka extra turbo noises kasi since naka muffler delete naman tayo. So sana more noises and of course better acceleration and less smoke. Sorry guys, hindi na pala kailangan ilagay itong yung cover from the old filter. Dapat solo na lang to kasi hindi na siya kasya. So let's install it. So guys, ito yung itsura niya pagka installed na. So definitely mas maganda yung itsura in terms of looks. And medyo nahirapan lang ako i-install, no, kasi medyo weird na yung hole niya. Medyo hindi siya masyado aligned compared to the old one. Pero nakakabit naman na maayos. So we'll do a sound check and then let's see test drive natin kung anong feeling. So this is the garbage and not garbage. Kung ano yung sinasabi ni TJ Hunt. Garbage and not garbage. Definitely more engine noise. Medyo mas rinig mo yung konting spool ng turbo. Painitin ko lang yung engine and then let's do some couple revs and then test drive natin sa labas. Definitely more noise siya, no, if you've heard naman sa vid. Pero naka-open kasi yan. So, pag naka-close, I'm sure wala nang tunog. Pero we can compare na driving with naka-close na cover. Itong cover na naka-close. And pagka walang cover. So, check na lang natin yung difference. So guys, we're in the cabin now, driving, doing a test run. So in terms of sound sa loob in the cabin, parang not much difference, no, compared to the stock. So here we are at 1,500 RPM. Usually the boost kicks in at around 2,000. So try natin dito. And okay, alright. So we're in boost. So may tunog siya ng turbo noise, no, pero mas umingi lang siya ng sobrang konti, not a very big difference. Tapos in terms of the sound, the acceleration, mas naging smooth naman siya. Mako-compare mo na mas okay yung takbo niya, parang mas nakakahinga na compared to the OEM or replacement one that I had. So tinanggal ko na yung cover, so let's try it again. So guys, this is with the intake cover off. Try natin. So yeah, I was saying na maganda nga yung response niya for the acceleration. Super satisfied ako, ganda. And tsaka ayoko na rin yung, alam mo yun, magpe-pay ako ng bagong air filter after every ilang change oil. Palit ka ng palit ng palit. So at least ito reusable siya and washable. So pwede ko na siya gamitin for another 100,000+ kilometers. Kaya, which is good din. So I give this a 10 out of 10. Ganda. If you guys want to try it out, I got this at Parts Pro PH. May Facebook page sila. I believe mas madami pang ang mas available for modern cars sa yung mga bago. Mga Fortuner, Montero, Hilux. But I know meron din silang universal na intake cone. I think it would fit your car. So guys, nakabalik na tayo. So yes, as I've said kanina, super satisfied ako dito. Ganda ng product ng fabrics. Very affordable. I got it around 2,700 pesos lang ata. And then they do COD also. So if you want to check them out, go to Parts Pro's website. That's where I got mine. And ngayon gagawin ko na lang is I'll wax the car, yung spray wax lang, yung Eco wash and wax, and then tar black ko, and then we'll be ending the video. So now we will try the pristine one-shot Eco wash and wax. It's for ano siya parang if hindi mo pa siya nalinis in a while and then wala kang time mag-spray with the hose ng water, pwede mo na to agad i-spray on the spot with the dirt, and you just need microfiber, spray mo lang, and may wax na rin siyang kasama. guys, tapos ko na linisin yung car with the wash and wax of Pristine, yung eco spray niya. And then kumintab naman siya, sobra. So we'll be ending the vlog here. I want to give a shout out to Bagito TV. Hindi kita na shout out last time, sorry bro. So shout out to you. So we'll be ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog of the install of the fabrics air intake. So comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto niyo pang makita sa future vlogs. And I'll see you soon. Stay safe, be well. Bye.